his courage back in order to be obedient to the word of the Lord. And the word of the Lord was to go down to the Jordan. And church, look at Naaman. At first, he got like some of our more charismatic Christians. Because he said, why couldn't he just walk out the house, waved his hand over me, and made sure that it was healed? I got gold. I got silver. I could have just given him his sacrificial offering. He could have waved his hand over me, and everything could have been done. No. Go down to the dirty, muddy waters and dip 7 times. Naaman got angry and said, aren't the rivers of Damascus better than these dirty, muddy waters of Israel? I need you to go down to the dirty water.
Come on.
Dip 7 times. Dip completely in the dirt and get yourself healed. So here is the historical preface. Mud baths that we go to get at the spot came from the ancient Near East. And it was a medicinal purpose behind mud baths. People would take mud baths to cleanse their skin. People